Hi, Rob Brown here. Today is Laundry Day, and it gives me an opportunity to teach you one more way you can take toxins out of your home. I was gifted this magnetic laundry system for the holidays by a good friend of mine, and I was hesitant to try it. I don't know why. It just seemed kind of like, how could it possibly work? And it got me thinking, why do we use detergent? When did we start using detergents in this country? And it turns out it was back in the 30s and 40s when the military needed to figure out a way how they could clean clothes in cold salt water. But of course, now that we live in homes and we have hot, fresh water at our disposal, why do we need laundry detergent? So anyway, it took me a couple of weeks to try these, but I did, and I'm going to show you how they work. You just put these two magnets in the laundry machine and it does something to the water and your clothes come out clean without detergent. So what you do is you put these in the drum of the laundry, like so, and then you put in your clothes. And that's it. You close the machine. And they recommend using hot water, but it works fine with just warm water. And that's all you got to do. So I'll tell you, I've been using this now for 5 weeks, and the clothes are clean. There's no odor, and I don't see a reason to ever have to use laundry detergent again. And these things last for 40 years apparently. So I'll let you see how what my kids think about the detergent. Ursula, have you noticed any difference in your clothes?
No.
Really? And did you know that I'm not using any detergent?
Yeah.
I haven't used any detergent for over a month. Isn't that amazing?
Uh-huh.
Okay, thank you. Tell me, have you noticed any difference in your laundry? Have you noticed, are your clothes clean?
Yes.
Have you noticed any difference?
No.
Huh?
No.
Did you know I'm not using detergent?
Yes.
Come on. Be engaging. Have you noticed that they're teenagers, right? But I know that if their clothes weren't clean or if they smelled, I would hear about it. So anyway, load's done. And you're there. Now, instead of using fabric sheets or fabric softener, I use these cotton balls. I throw some essential oil on there. I like lavender. Throw that in the dryer. And the clothes come out smelling nice and fresh. So give them a try. I think you'll be happy with them.